Hey there, video creators! Want to whip up awesome videos inspired by the hottest viral content super fast? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to do just that using a popular AI tool called MagicLight. MagicLight has this brand new, super cool feature that lets you create videos using awesome templates it generates just for you. How cool is that? If you're new to the MagicLight party, no worries. You can sign up for a totally free account. Just hit the link in the description below. While you're there, you'll also find some helpful tips and tricks on how to use MagicLight, and even save on those precious credits. All those goodie links are down there, so go check them out. Alright, ready? Let's dive in. Here's how you do it. First, open up MagicLight and click on Story to Video. From there, you'll want to click on Smart Script. Now, here's where the magic really starts. On the right-hand side, you'll see a bunch of viral video examples straight from YouTube. You can preview them, and then pick one that really grabs your eye. Once you've found your perfect match, simply click Run Script. Boom! MagicLight will then cook up a fantastic story for you, and guess what? You can totally edit it any way you like. Tweak it, twist it, make it uniquely yours. Once you're happy with your story, you can choose if you want your video to be landscape or portrait. Perfect for those social media feeds. Pick your language, and for this particular style, we're going to click on Meow 3. Then just hit Next. After it generates the script, take a peek at the bottom right. You'll see how many tokens it'll cost to create all those awesome scenes. You can also refine your script even further by editing, deleting, or even merging scenes together. It's all about making it perfect for your vision. Once you're totally thrilled with your script, click Next again. Here's a fun part. You can click on AutoCast and see which characters MagicLight selects for your video. If they're not quite what you had in mind, no biggie. You can easily swap them out for other characters until you find the perfect fit. Once you're happy with your character crew, you know the drill, click Next. Now, after the images are generated for each scene, you'll definitely want to review all of them to make sure they're exactly what you're looking for. For all the nitty-gritty details on how to edit and how to save on credits, make sure to check out one of my other videos. Yep, the links are in the description. Once you're happy with all your scenes, you can then animate them all at once, or you can go scene by scene. For this video, I'm just going to animate a few of the key scenes to give you a quick taste of how this awesome workflow goes. Once you have animated all your scenes, click on Edit Video, select your cover, subtitles, background music, and click Generate. For this specific video, I'm going to select the 9:16 format, because I'm aiming for social media glory and that viral effect. After MagicLight finishes generating your video, it's super simple. Just download it and post it to any platform you'd like. See? That's how incredibly easy it is to create a video using MagicLight, based on videos that have already proven to go viral. So, go on, have a blast creating your own amazing videos. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next one.